named Skittles. He's so colorful and pretty. Don't you like him? No, folk, I don't like him. He done tried to eat me. And he made cheesecake dude, done bust a cap on my nose. And then, if you don't get rid of this bird, folk, I'm gonna kill him tonight. I'm gonna bust cap. All right, now why would you go and harm poor defenseless little Skittles? He ain't doing nothing wrong. He ain't no better. Maybe it's just because you're African American. He did come from Africa, and then Africans tried to clip his wings so he wouldn't fly off anymore because he's red. Yeah. Fool, he don't like black people. Ooh, no. You better get him out of his house before I go crazy up in this hole. Ooh, no. All right. You win. I'll take him somewhere else. Come on, Skittles. Yeah, fool, you better take him somewhere else, because if I catch him in this house again, he gonna be bird stew. Ooh, fool, bird stew. You okay, Black Donkey? Fool, just give me a Band-Aid. I'll be all right. I'm still bleeding all over the place. All right, I'll be right back. I'm so sorry to yell at you, Skittles. I didn't mean that. All right, now I just gotta find a place to put you. Oh, the bathroom, that's perfect. All right, come in here. All right, now, we're gonna come over here, and right there is where your food is. Right there, your toothpaste so you can brush your beak so you don't get beak breath. And your potty man, you can't make it 1 foot to go to the toilet. So, have fun in here, and I'll be back every now and then to check on you. Don't cause any more commotion. Good night, Skittles.
Oh, I finally get to lay down. Oh, exhausting day. Oh, that didn't sound good. Time to use the toilet. Oh, donkey is gonna be a world's largest crap right here. Oh, I can't hold it. Oh, somebody's in the bathroom. Hurry up in there, please. Please hurry up. I got a crap. I can't hold it. Hurry up in there. I got the crap. I can't hold it. It's hurting real bad. Hurry up. I need to get in the toilet. I got the crap real bad. Hurry up. You're not gonna kill me. You're a bird. You can't be pooping in there. Ew. I'm not open this. Get out. I got the crap. Yeah, folk, I still flying my green Band-Aid all day, folk. Let's go. Yeah, still flying the motherfucker. I can't wait to go back and play some Call of Duty. I done paused it. I'm at the hardest part of the game. We're gonna do this right now. We're gonna do it right with no disturbances. Let's go. Let's do it. Ooh. Call of Duty. Call of Duty. Call of Duty. Call of Duty. Oh, F nah. Oh, F nah, folk. I'm gonna kill you now. Oh, folk, I got my machine fixed now. Yeah. Yeah, you better run, never come back, folks. Play my Call of Duty. You crazy people up in here. That was the most refreshing crap I've ever taken. Yeah, I think I'll